Guys, welcome back to another video. This is your girl J.Lashae, and today I thought that I would do a tutorial or a video on how to replace a broken ring light. And as you can see right here, mine's broken. It somehow fell on the floor and it shattered, and so I had to buy another one. And I was on YouTube trying to figure out how to fix it. I didn't see a lot of videos on how to fix it. So today I'm going to do a video on how to fix a ring light, a broken ring light. So let's get started. And the first thing you guys need to do is plug the source from the battery. It's easier. You guys just do is just pull it out. That's all I did, was just pull it out there. And then each ring light has these little clear claps on it that secures it. There's one there, there's one there, and there's one there. And so basically you just pull it off and they just come off. It's maybe either with two hands. See, little clamps, just take them off, put them somewhere safe. Take off the other one. See, real simple. Take off this one. Alright. See, I got all the clamps off, and you just pull the ring light from the little clamps there. See, just pops right out. Make sure you dispose of the broken one, you know, and all glass and stuff, and so you guys can see that. So that's just the ring light without the bulb in it. And so let me go get the bulb. Alright, so this is the new bulb. It's not broken, it's all intact. So just like how I took out the broken one, you want to put in the new one. And so let's see, you may want to put in the clips first. See how easy that goes in. Real simple, real easy. Just put it in there like that. And then you secure the clamps. Get a closer look. The clamps right there. Just put it in the hole. Real carefully. Same for this side and this side. And go ahead and put the clamps back in. And very easy, very simple, and that's how you replace a ring light. Let's see if you guys can see the little clamp there. Now let's plug it up and see how it works. Woo! Now that's bright. And guys, that is how you replace a bulb in a ring light. Sorry if it's a little bright, but yeah. So, alright guys, Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. All the links are in the description. And until next time, guys, I hope this was a very informational video. Peace, guys.